Hello, this is Nisar Ahmed Syed from Chittor district, Andhra Pradesh. I am a Telugu Wikipedian and as well I contribute to Urdu Wikipedia also. Currently, I am residing at Pune, Maharashtra. By being there, I am contributing to Wikipedia in many languages, especially for Telugu Wikipedia and Urdu Wikipedia. Telugu Wikipedia is a treasure of good knowledgeable articles. Particularly my Telugu community is a very fabulous community. I really appreciate and proud of my community. Telugu community particularly has technically expertise people as well as linguistic expertise. I really love them and I really love to work with them. I particularly, being as a Telugu Wikipedian, proud to say that I have nearly 18,000 edits. That is proud for me. As well, I am a scholarly person, an educationist and academician. Hence, I love the wisdom. Hence, I had created more articles on religion, philosophy and many branches of sciences. Apart, I would like to say something about Urdu Wikipedia. Urdu Wikipedia as well is a language spoken in the Indian subcontinent. As well, it is being spoken in Saudi Arabia and Dubai, Riyadh, Oman and some many more countries. Even you can see Urdu language activities in Germany, in England, in Canada, Australia, even in the countries, far east countries like Japan. Even in Japan, you can see Urdu speaking people. Okay, this is one side. Come to Urdu Wikipedia. Urdu Wikipedia now associated with mainly two country people. One is neighboring country people, another is my own country people. But it is regret to state that my contributors, mean Indian contributors in number are very less. This is very, what I say, painful thing for me. So I had took initiative to render best services to Urdu Wikipedia too. Hence today I invited many people of Bengaluru localites to this magnanimous and augustous meeting of Bengaluru conventions. So many people came and joined Urdu Wikipedia. I am very happy that those people reciprocated in a positive manner and joined Urdu Wikipedia. So now Urdu Wikipedia is not having a least number of users. Now it is going to become a number growth in Urdu Wikipedia. For that I am very happy and I thanks to Wikimedia Foundation that it has took a very magnanimous effort to globalize the knowledge, free knowledge world. So I really thank the Wikimedia Foundation as well as the Indian chapter and the CIS and my dearest friend Mr. Vishnu, who is my not only dearer and close in what is the wisdom and the thoughts. So I personally finally give a message to all my co-Wikimedians, irrespective of languages, whether it is Bengali or Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu or even if it is a Sanskrit. So gather together, gain the knowledge, acquire the knowledge, give the knowledge and distribute the knowledge, because knowledge is power. Ultimately knowledge leads to wisdom. Wisdom is nothing but shadow of the Almighty God, Allah and Parameshwara. Dear friends, I would like to say something about the languages and the specification of Telugu language. Language is the mean of communication, whereas you come to Telugu language, what I had observed in my entire life experience, it is the best language among the best languages and it is the sweetest language. I am proud to speak Telugu and I am proud to write in Telugu. For your kind information, I understand better in Telugu language when you compare to other languages. Though I am a law writer in Urdu, I have very good qualifications in Urdu I had been Urdu teacher for a long period such as 23 years, but still I speak Telugu well, write in Telugu well. So, I welcome you to Telugu Wikipedia as well as Urdu Wikipedia too. So, edit Wikipedia irrespective of language. Here, I would like to quote one statement of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Once he told, Desha Bhashalandu Telugu Lessa. Likewise, I would like to say about Urdu too. One poet said about Urdu, Urdu hai jiska naam hum jante hain daag, sare jahan mein dhoom hamari zuban ki hai. It was the share told by some very good poet. Now, I would like to give a slogan as well as a statement, and in fact, it is the statement of my heart. Welcome to Wikipedia. Edit Wikipedia. Edit कीजिए, edit చేయండి, వికీపీడియాలో చేరండి, వికీపీడియా में शामिल होइए. वणक्कम, नमस्कारम, नमस्कार, आदाब, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.